People said I ruined my 11-foot Enderman, and I agree, here's why. 1 year ago, I built a life-size Enderman that weighs at least 1 gallon of milk, but after just 3 months, it was completely ruined. I brought him in and put him in storage, until today. I cut 2 squares out of my front yard and pulled his head into my garage, where I filled in all the chips and cracks. I touched up any ruined areas and unfolded this giant tarp. I brought down his limbs from the attic and applied a coat of clear Flex Seal. I dragged over his head and did the same, but I hated the way the finish looked, so I changed tactics. I began by rolling on a clear layer of semi-gloss spar urethane to the legs and arms. At this point, I think I might be making a mistake. I coated every side of the head and body, top, bottom, front, and back. I added 2 coats to it all and brought in my life-size Minecraft pumpkin. I coated all of its walls too, and things were looking good, but only for now. I drove 2 giant fence post spikes into the square cutouts from earlier and attached the legs to the body. I bolted on the arms and dragged him into my front yard, where I lifted him into place, which was hard because he weighs at least a gallon of milk. I dragged over my ladder and placed his head on top, and this is where I noticed a big problem. Last year, only some pixels were gloss, which gave my Enderman a holographic look, but now he is entirely gloss and the effect is completely ruined, and I'll need to repaint him again to restore his true glory. Subscribe and I'll make a
chicken jock.